Hi, I'm firefighter Melanie. If you can't hear your smoke alarm because you're hard of hearing or deaf, there's a specialised smoke alarm available which has 3 parts. Here's the smoke alarm that is placed outside your bedroom. Here's the flashing strobe light that's placed on your bedside table, and the vibrating pad that goes underneath the pillow. To test it, you just... Now there's 2 types. There's a hardwired smoke alarm, which means that you need a qualified electrician to install it. There's also a battery operated one, which you can install yourself. And it means that if you move or if you're renting, you can take it with you. Fire Rescue New South Wales has been working closely with the Deaf Society of New South Wales to make these smoke alarms accessible for people who are deaf or hard of hearing. Normally they cost about $500, but through the scheme they cost around $50. And that cost can be waived if you have financial hardship. All you need to do is contact the Deaf Society through their website or just call them. Smoke alarms are designed to wake you from your sleep, because when you're asleep, you actually won't smell smoke. In New South Wales, the law requires you to have a minimum of 1 smoke alarm per floor, and that includes in caravans. Place your smoke alarm outside your bedroom in the hallway, but don't put them in the kitchen because they're likely to be set off by smoke or steam from cooking. Remember, only a working smoke alarm will save your life. So to make sure they're in good, safe working order, test them every month and replace the battery every year. We say change your clock, change your smoke alarm battery at the end of daylight savings. And make sure you change your entire smoke alarm unit every 10 years. If you're over 65 or have limited mobility, which prevents you from climbing a ladder to install a smoke alarm or replace its battery, contact your local fire station and firefighters will be able to assist. To find out how safe your home is, go to Fire Rescue New South Wales website and do a home fire safety audit. It may save your life. It can take only 3 minutes for a fire to really take hold, but often it could have been prevented in seconds. In an emergency, call 000.
This has been an RCC News production and is copyright. RCC News is produced by the City Media and Events Unit. Gordana Griauska speaking.